There are actually various ways which you can promote your CPA marketing offers and start making cool cash like I did right here. So you can actually go on to maybe watching this video and learn one of the strategies which I actually did use to make such amount with CPA marketing. And if you do head onto a CPA marketing platform, any one of your choice right there, you can use that for this strategy. All you actually want to do is to click on register to register for that CPA marketing platform. If you don't have an account, I'm going to be using the CPA grip right here. If I do click on register, I'll be brought to this page. I'm just going to go on to filling out this form appropriately. Once I do that, I'm going to focus more on the fields that are actually having these red asterisk signs, as you can see right now. I can then just simply go on to agreeing to the terms of services right here before I do go on to clicking on register. And also note that for this publisher type, you want to go on to selecting either the website /incent or the GPT. And if you do that right here, guys, your account should actually get approved almost immediately once you do register for an account right now. You can then just simply go on to login into your account once your account has been created, and you should be brought to a dashboard that will look similar to this. And right here, guys, you could take note that in this dashboard you will actually do see what some people are actually earning with this platform right here. You can see this person has actually earned about $52 right here today using this platform, with about 3,000 views, 2,000 clicks, and about 223 leads right now. And you can actually go on to making yours by coming right here to this section, click on the offer tools, and actually go on to clicking on my offers. And if you do click on that, guys, you'll be brought to a page where you can go on to selecting offers which you want to just simply go on to promoting. I can actually filter the offers to any country of my choice. If I want to filter my offers to the United States so that I can actually promote United States offers, I can actually see that right here via this section. I can then just simply maybe go on to showing offers to all countries right there. By clicking on all countries, I'll be shown offers available to each and every single country out there in the world. So right here, guys, I can actually see numerous offers which I could go on to promoting right now. You can see this offer is actually for the Sweden demographic. This one right here is for Belgium. This right here is for Germany. And I can actually keep on scrolling through, and I'll be shown a lot of offers available to different countries all around the world. You can filter your offers based on the performance right here. You could also filter your offers based on payouts. And if I do click on payout right now, guys, I'm going to be shown the highest paying offers. As you can see right now, these are actually the highest paying offers out there. So if I just select one of these offers right now, guys, I'll be shown more details to this offer right here, which I can just simply take advantage of. And guys, you don't actually need to go on to learning this language right here, because I'm going to show you a simple strategy which you can do right now to understand what this offer is all about. What you want to do is to copy this particular text to this offer right here and head on to this platform which is called the Google Translator. And if you do head on to Google Translator, supposing I do come right here and put this language on maybe detect language, I'm going to come right here and paste in that particular text. And you can see right now that this is actually the Norwegian language right here, and it is actually converted to English right now. So you can actually go on to checking out other CPA marketing offers right here, which you can take advantage of right now. Supposing I want to filter my offers maybe to the French demographic, as you can see right here, I'm being shown offers available to this demographic. And supposing I click on this offer, I can actually go on to copying the details to this offer right here. And if I do copy that, I'm going to head back to this particular platform which is called Google Translator and paste that in right here. Once that is pasted, you can see right now this is actually the details. We get about 500 euros gift card right here. And I can then just simply see that if I successfully promote this offer, I do get paid about $10.27 right now. I can just simply use this to my advantage, copy my unique affiliate link, and actually head on to promoting this offer. And how do you want to promote this offer? You want to just simply use this platform right here, which is called Pinterest. We're going to be utilizing Pinterest right now, and what you want to do right now is to actually go on to Google. And I'm just going to go on to opening a new tab on Google. And if I do open a new tab on Google, I'm going to go on to the previous tab that actually have this Google Translator. And I'm just going to go on to type in something related to money right here. Maybe saving money right now, I can just simply go on to detecting the language from English right here. I can actually go on to translating to any other language of my choice. I'm just gonna go on to selecting French right now. And if I do select French right here, guys, as you can see, it's actually gonna go on to translating that right here for me. So right now, guys, you can see that has actually successfully been translated. What I'm gonna do right now is to copy this particular text. If I copy that, I'm actually gonna go onto the new Google tab, and I'm just gonna go on to paste in that right here. And I'm also gonna go on to adding something like Pinterest. And if I do adding something like that and click on enter, I'll be shown a lot of Pinterest particular posts right here that I can actually take advantage of to promote my CPA marketing offers. If I do click on this one right now, guys, because it is in French right here, we're promoting a French offer, you're actually going to be shown more details about that right here. You can see right now that this follower is actually having, or this person right here is actually having about 158 followers right here on Pinterest. I can actually go back right there and actually go on to checking more posts right now. Supposing I do go on to opening this post in a new tab, and also this right here, I'm actually going to go on to see more details about such pins. And right here, guys, you can see that for this particular pin, this person actually went on to posting right here, and this person actually has about 13,000 followers right now. I'm also going to go into using this particular person right here, and you can see right now that this person posts with some stuff that are actually related to French right now. I can actually go into checking out the other particular post right here. This has about 636 followers right now. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to head onto my Pinterest right here, and I'm actually going to come right here to this section, click on this drop down arrow. I'm just going to click on this profile icon right here to actually head onto my profile. And once you do head onto your profile, you want to come right here, click on edit profile, and you want to just simply scroll through to this section where you can see the website. You want to just simply change that to your CPA marketing offer. And guys, just head back to CPA Grape right here, copy the link to that offer, and you want to use this platform right now called the tinyurl.com or any other link shortener website out there to shorten that particular link for your CPA marketing offer. Shorten that URL right there, and once that has actually been shortened, copy the link, head back to your Pinterest, and right now I'm just going to paste in that link right here in this section. You can see the link has actually been pasted. What you want to do right now is to actually head back to your Google Translator, and I'm just going to paste in a post like this which says, "Are you from France? Click the link for a chance to win a new iPhone 14 or a free giveaway." So once I've actually pasted this right in here, I can then just simply copy this text right here and actually head back to my Pinterest and go on to pasting that right here in this particular about section. Once that has actually been pasted, I'm going to go on to clicking on save, and if I do click on save, I'm just going to go on to heading back to my page right now, and you can see that this is how it's actually going to go on to looking like right now. This is actually the link for my CPA marketing offer, and this is also that particular text right there. And once that has actually been done, you can then just simply go onto those people's Pinterest pins or Pinterest accounts right now, and you want to just simply go on to clicking on the followers right now, and you can see that this person actually has a lot of followers right here. You can then just simply go on to following some of them right now. Follow as many as you can follow right now, but guys, we're going to be using a unique AI bot that is actually going to automate this process for you. So instead of doing the work yourself, you can actually head on to this platform which is called the Somibo.com. And this is an amazing AI tool or a free social media automation platform that originally grows your online presence and gets you more followers right now. And guys, if you do keep on scrolling through, you can see the steps in doing so. You want to choose the website which you want to just simply focus on, or choose the platform. You want to target new followers, and this will actually help you automate your growth right here and start making some cool cash doing so. As you can see, you could use this on Instagram, SoundCloud, TikTok, Twitter, Spotify, and other platforms right here to actually help boost your account right now. So you can just simply take advantage of this right now to start making or boosting your social media presence right there on Pinterest. And the more you do boost your social media presence and gain access to a lot of followers, a lot of people will go on to following you back, and if they do follow you back, they might be interested in going onto your profile, checking out the link in your profile right there, which they're actually going to go on to see in this text, and clicking on this particular link to complete such offers, and you do get some cool affiliate commission right there. And for every lead which you actually do get, you do get paid about $10.27. So if you do get about 50 people to complete this offer, you do get paid up to about $500 right now. So this is actually an easy strategy which you could go on to using to promote your CPA marketing offers and start making money right now. So hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, simply smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure your notification bell is turned on all. So see you all in my next video, guys, and goodbye.